Hallo allemaal. Hello everyone. Today we are at the number 5, I think, of the Duolingo course for Dutch. And these are the negations. Quite difficult grammar stuff.
Hij is geen vrouw.
Hij is geen vrouw. He is not a woman. So as you can see, it's sort of, there's no a here.
Vrouw.
There's no hij is geen een vrouw, since a would translate to een. Hij is geen vrouw. So this is wrong. The geen, sorry, geen sort of has the function of this baked into it. So you omit it, and then you have this. Hij is geen vrouw. He is not a woman.
Hij eet niet. Hij eet niet.
Okay, this audio is clearly wrong. It's actually hij eet niet. Hij eet niet. He does not eat. So literally it's he eats not. But of course that's a kind of Yoda speech in English. So he does not eat.
Nee, je bent geen appel.
Nee, je bent geen appel. No, you are not an apple. You are a banana.
Nee, we eten het brood niet.
Nee, we eten het brood niet. So, no, we do not eat the bread. We eat the bread
Niet.
not.
Nee, ze hebben geen menu.
Okay, the menu thing again. Nee, ze hebben geen menu. Menu. No, they do not have a menu. De meneer vrouwen het menu niet. Literally, the sir, women, the or it, the menu not. So completely nonsensical. De man heeft het menu niet. The man has the menu not. De man heeft drinkkaart niet. The man has drink card not. As far as I know, drinking card or card drink or whatever, there's really no Dutch way to do that. It's usually just the menu.
Nee, hij drinkt geen sap.
Nee, hij drinkt geen sap. No, he does not drink juice. I do not read the book. Ik lees het boek niet. Ik lees het jongens niet. I read the boys not. I read it book not. Ben reads the book not. I should say it can be both it or the. So in this case it's like the. Pretty short one. Oh, and we opened up quite a lot of things. Let me know what you guys think is the best format for this. In the very first video, I started with the explaining the grammar stuff, but it's kind of hard to go over that, and I'm not really sure if it's as interesting as just going over the sentences, since most people tend to skip it anyway. I think. Could be wrong. Please let me know. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, send me a message. And see you next time. Tot ziens.